Today I'm going to show you how to format SD card on your Samsung phone. It's pretty simple, let's get started. To do this, open the settings and swipe down to find Battery and Device Care. Tap on it and after that choose Storage tab. We see that we are in internal storage. To change it to SD card, swipe right to SD card. And now we can format our SD card. To do this, tap on three vertical dots and tap on Format. Before you confirm formatting SD card, pay attention that everything on this SD card will be erased. You can save important files or important videos, photos to internal storage. To do this, choose Type of File. For example, videos, tap on Videos, choose any video file or video files, and tap on Move at the bottom left corner. Move, then Return, choose Internal Storage, choose any folder, for example, Movies, and tap on Move here at the bottom right corner. Files are moving, and after you have saved all the important files to the internal storage of the phone, you can safely format the SD card. Pay attention that we are in File Manager and you can format SD card from File Manager. How to do this? Open a standard application, My Files, on your Samsung phone, and we are in File Manager where we can move any files, open SD card, choose any folder or any file, for example, camera. Long click on this folder and at the bottom left corner tap on Move and repeat these steps to transfer files or folders to internal storage. Tap on Move, Return, tap on Internal Storage and move the folder here. After you transfer important files and folders, tap on three vertical dots next to SD card and tap on Format. When you confirm, everything on this SD card will be erased. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for the watching, like, subscribe. Have a nice day, good luck, see you next time.